Hello there guys, and welcome back to the channel. And once again we're here back in X-Plane. We're just making our final turn on the final approach to land here at I think we were landing at Cork, if I'm correct. Cork in Ireland. And as you can see, we're just making our final turn there. And we're just going through 5,000 feet. So as I said, videos would become less frequent. And I've only just got the opportunity to do one today, so I've got a little gap. But obviously the first 2 weeks of school are pretty hectic, so I haven't been able to upload as often. But anyway, I'm doing this video now. We're currently in the TUI livery in this flight. And if we go on, got a couple of different views I managed to get. And in a minute we should be able to see the airport. We have got a couple of constraints here, so as you can see on the flight display, we're only cleared to 3,000 feet on here. And yeah, so now we're going to descend down to there. Flaps is obviously flaps 30 again, good conditions today, so I'm going to be doing a manual landing. As you can see there, we've just captured the glide slope. And we've got a couple of flap settings down, but obviously we need to keep putting them down later. 1,000 feet away from our ILS intercept altitude. So we should start to turn in a minute. And obviously this is just going to be an arrival video. So slightly shorter, but still a video. And we should start turning now, I'm assuming. Yep, there we go. So we got quite a few flap settings down, flaps 15. And as you can see, S to D's just gone red, so we'll change the pressure back. And obviously it's just gone pretty dark in the cockpit because we're in the shadow now. But that should fix itself hopefully. I have made a couple of adjustments to the cockpit after some FPS issues, so this seems to have fixed it. But it doesn't really affect the sim too much. There we go. Obviously it's not the best, but I'm prepared to sacrifice a bit of realism for better performance, I guess. And the diamond is just starting to fall now. And as usual, we're probably going to be landing at around 145 knots. Maybe a little bit less actually. Because to be honest, I haven't actually played that much of Flight Sim at all really since going back to school. And there's the runway there. So in a minute we're going to hit that localizer switch and begin our descent. So we'll hit that now. Glide slope captured, and we want to keep slowing this down to 155, I think we'll go to for now. Gear down. Flaps 25. Seatbelt signs, landing lights can go on now. Let's put those on too. Quickly hop outside. So obviously, I've got the volume turned down so you don't lose my voice in the engines and stuff. But quite a nice approach here. Probably still going a little bit fast, but hopefully we'll be able to fix that. And we'll slow down to what I will put as landing speed for now. flaps 30. No. The next flaps are already at 30. I'm actually going to increase the speed a little bit here just because the nose is pitching up a little bit, so we'll hold it about here. Don't want the nose to pitch up too much. Once we get to around 1,000 feet, I'll take over and try and land manually. Obviously, I don't know how good it will be because I haven't, as I said, played a lot of flight sim, so I might have lost the touch slightly, but we'll just have to see what happens. Start slowing it down now. Quickly whip up the spoilers for a couple of seconds, slow it down, and I'll now take over.
1,000 feet, stabilized, Mr. Perch, altitude set.
Glide slow. Glide slow. Glide slow. Glide slow. Glide slow.
And I think I've got a slight problem with the rudder here. I don't know how well this is going to go.
Too low terrain. Too low terrain. Too low terrain. Too low terrain.
50, 40,
Too low
30,
terrain.
10.
That was not very good, unfortunately. But I don't know what's happened there. I think I've got a little problem with the rudder. So sorry about that. That wasn't the best landing I've ever done. Let's go quickly go into the settings. Okay, so spoilers down. I'm not entirely sure what was going on there. I had a little problem with the spoilers. So yeah, sorry about that. I'll go for you guys a quick replay anyway, even though that was not very good. Sorry, forward again. So yeah, about here I seem to have a little bit of an issue with keeping it stable, so sorry about that. It didn't really seem to be wanting to turn on that right side. So that's quite hard touch now. Not the end, not bad like Ryanair bad, I guess. Turn off here, hopefully. Yeah, I've just got a little problem with the rudder, I think, here. So I just need to mess around with the settings here, see what's going on. But yeah. So that was a slightly shorter video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Sorry about that bad-ish landing towards the end. And yeah, hope you guys liked the new intro I put out the other day. And yeah, once again, thanks you for watching. Once again, so sorry for that landing, and I'll see you all in the next video.